Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Sandy and today I'm going to show you how I made my very own mac and cheese. As always, don't forget to subscribe, share and like. So let's get right into it. So you will need macaroni, salt, cheddar cheese, black pepper, tomato, onion, flour, egg and tomato ketchup. I boiled the water from the kettle just to make the process go faster. I then put the macaroni in the water for it to boil until soft. As the macaroni boiled, I chopped the tomato, onion and grated the cheese. Before I drained the macaroni, I added a teaspoon of salt to give it a little bit of a flavor. As soon as I drained the macaroni, whilst it was piping hot, I mixed the tomato, black pepper, 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1 egg and the grated cheese, and I mixed it until the macaroni looked sticky. Once you're happy with the mixture, add on top of the macaroni with extra cheese. It's totally your choice how much more cheese you want to add on top, and then bake it at 170 degrees for about 35 minutes. And here is the end result. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment below, and I will see you in my next video.